Hey y'all, it's Dinorah, aka the Southern Belle of the South Bronx. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're going to be talking about hair and hair repair. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, which you should, I spoke about a few weeks ago, like I've been having some troubles with like my curl pattern, and I haven't dyed my hair. I don't have heat damage. I did do a wash and set a few weeks ago, but my hair has been acting weirdly prior to the wash and set. So I know that that direct heat did not affect it, if that makes any sense, but yes. So yeah, it's just like from the crown to the front of my hair, like you see these curls back here, these are all like my natural curls, meaning I wash my hair, I rake product through, and that's it. These curls up here, I've had to, as you can tell, or maybe you can't, I know that I can. I've had to finger coil because my hair just won't curl. Like I'll wash it, which I'll show in a few minutes. I'll wash it and my hair dries pretty quickly. Well, the top part of my hair dries pretty quickly once I get out the shower, and it's like it's a limp wave, if I can even call it that. Like this one right here, this was a struggle to curl. I had to actually put a cold rod in it to curl it because it's just straight hair once I wash it. So I'm not sure what caused this. Like I said, I haven't dyed my hair, like I haven't put any chemicals. I did do a protein treatment, which I won't name on here because I don't want to get nobody in trouble, but obviously it's to my discretion. I did pay for it and put it on my own hair voluntarily. So yeah, so I've just been trying to figure out, like, do I go back to a pixie? Do I start from like zero? But it's like I don't want to start from zero because I hate the in-between phase. So I did get a haircut. That didn't help, obviously, because I don't know how the damage is, if it's mechanical or chemical because of the, not really chemical, but yes, chemical because of the protein treatment. But anywho, I was doing my research, as I always do, because I research the heck out of everything, and I found this company called K18. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money. I have all my receipts. So what they claim to be is a leave-in molecular repair hair mask. And the way that you use it is that you would shampoo, rinse out the shampoo, no conditioner, go straight in with the product, and it's measured per the length, density, and texture of your hair. You would put that in, let that marinate for 4 minutes on like your hair, and then you would go on to styling it, whether you're gonna blow dry it or whether you're gonna put product in it and do a wash and whether you're gonna put product in it and style it as a wash and go, which is how I tend to style my hair if it's not in two-strand twists or yeah, some type of twist. So I just wanted to read some of the claims from K18. As I mentioned before, they are a leave-in molecular repair hair mask. I bought 2 5-milliliter tubes. Just consider like the sample sizes of it. It does come in a larger bottle, which I'll put here, which runs anywhere between, I think, $75 or $78, somewhere in between that. I'll put all the information on the screen and down below. But yes, I got 2 because I really want to put this to the test. So let's read some of the claims. So it says, K18, smooth, soft, strong, bouncy hair that feels like new. K18 heals damage caused by the 4 following things: bleach and color, chemical services, heat styling, and 4th, mechanical styling. So I don't know which one I have. I can definitely rule out bleach and color and heat. I did, like I mentioned before, do a wash and set with my rollers, but my hair had been acting really like funky prior to that, so it can be chemical or mechanical styling. I don't know, but it doesn't hurt to try. And my whole thing is, like, whenever I try something new, like a new product, or I get a new haircut, I'm like, oh, if I don't like it, I can just cut it all off, which I'm totally fine doing. But I don't know, I feel good about these. But anywho, let's get started. So I'm gonna go shampoo and I'll show you the actual damage that I have on my hair. So I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I'm back. So I just did 2 shampoos with my sulfur shampoo, just to help with any product buildup, and I just like how squeaky clean it gets my hair. But here's an example. Like, you see this? It won't matter what I'll do to this hair. If I let it just air dry right now, it'll just be a wave. It doesn't curl. Let's see if I can find another example. If I let it dry, it'll dry just like that. Like, do you see that? So yes, I'm hoping, what my goals are for using this product. It says to use it for the first 4 to 6 washes from when you first start using it, and then to use it every 3 to 4 washes, if I'm not mistaken. All right, step 1, shampoo, no conditioner. Step 2, towel dry thoroughly. Now, I don't know how this is going to work, because usually, the styling part, because usually when I style my hair, I'm always with my spray bottle, because I need to make sure that there is ample water in my hair before I introduce the styling product, but we shall. So we've toweled through. So begin with 1 pump. So I don't have a pump, I have the tube, but like I said, there's a chart. So I'm gonna go with medium shoulder, because when you stretch out my hair, it is at the shoulder, and my hair is thick and coarse. So I'm going to do the 2 to 3 pumps, and 1 pump equals 1 milliliter, which is also, for reference, 1 dime size. But because I'm a nerd, I'm gonna use my digital scale. So this is the tube. There's 5 milliliters here, so I'm going to measure out 3 milliliters and start with that. I'm gonna start with from the crown to the hairline first, because that's where the most damage is, and if there's any left over, I'll put it in the back. But my main concern is from right here, the ear, so all of this, from the crown to the hairline. Okay, so let's measure out. So I have 3 grams, but if I move it, the scale's gonna show something else. But I did take a picture of it. Come on, focus. So it says 3, I'll insert a picture there. So yeah, see, the scale's going crazy, but it's 3 grams, so I'm gonna do 3 sections. So it does have good slip, because I didn't detangle my hair after I shampooed it. So I'm just working it in with my fingertips. And let's start here. I'll start the timer after I'm done with all sections. Yeah, I'm gonna need more product. So I'm gonna do another gram. There we go. I have that much left. Just gonna apply it to the back half, just on the top of it. Okay, now let's wait 4 minutes. And I'm gonna do weekly videos. Obviously this one's a little longer because I'm explaining it, but I'm gonna do weekly videos because I do wash my hair every 5 to 6 days. And it's up to 4 to 6 washes, but let's see where we're at after 4 washes. So 4 minutes. All right, y'all, it's been 4 minutes. Now step 5, which is style as usual. So I'm gonna go in with this TGIN Rose Water Curl Defining Mousse from TGIN. I got it at Marshall's, it was on sale. I always wanted to try this line. I'm a fan of the honey line. Okay, y'all, so when I say that my hair doesn't curl, is that I'm used to my natural curl pattern being an actual coil, and you'll see here, like it's just limp, like it'll coil and then it'll fall flat at the bottom. And usually around here, like this I'll leave like this, but around here, like where my eyebrow tip connects, this is where I start to finger coil, but I'm not going to finger coil because I want to see what this product does, even though it says 4 to 6 washes, but I want to have faith and I don't want to manipulate too much. So yeah, this is where I usually tend to start finger coiling because I don't like how those ends look, and they will dry like that too, but hopefully not after this. But yes, again, do you see, like it's a wave, not even like the ends don't coil as they used to. You can go back and watch my wash and go that I did with Nairobi setting foam, and it's like not the same here. Trying to stay positive. So just for reference, I have a straight cut, aka a blunt cut, so all of my hair is the same length. So if I didn't have this damage or whatever it is, like it would be up to here with this, because I didn't get a asymmetrical. Everything is like, if I was to, you see, if I stretch this out, same length. But so if this was cooperating, it would have already came up to here to join its brothers and sisters back here. And for any of you wondering, I have a pimple patch because I've been getting like cystic acne on my chin. I mean, I've dealt with adult acne for a few years now. But yeah, these are hormonal and they kind of hurt. Okay, you see this? Let me go like this so you don't think that I'm manipulating it. So let me just do my raking. So you see down here, to like clump the hair, I rake it and the hair just boop. So this top portion, I'm gonna rake it, and look at these hairs. It doesn't coil, it's just like the wave is giving me. And I don't like it. What is going on? I don't know if you guys can hear my neighbor, but she doesn't even live on this floor. It was on another floor. My guess is that she sits in the windowsill or on her fire escape. So I know all her business because she's loud. So like normally if I was like doing my hair, this is a large piece, I wouldn't do that big. I would finger coil like this and boop. Do you see the difference? If my hair was actually at its full coiliness, curliness potential, it would be up here, not down here. But like I said, I'm not going to finger coil. Just gonna let it rock out. Okay, y'all, so this is my first K18 treatment. It is a leave-in molecular hair repair mask. I only did it from the crown. So usually I consider my crown from right behind the ear like this, boop, to the hairline. So I applied it there. That's where my damage is. I did have like not even like a quarter of a gram left, but I applied that to the back. But my battery's about to die, but I'm going to let this air dry and I'll be back in the morning to see what my results look like, to see if my hair took on a different shape, back to its original shape, worse, better, whatever. So yes, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye. Good morning, y'all. So okay, so welcome back. So I let this fully air dry. I usually sit under a hooded dryer on cool just to like let it dry because it's technically winter, spring, even though it feels more like winter in New York. But anywho, I let it completely air dry. I didn't use my diffuser and I didn't use my hooded dryer. So completely let it air dry. I put on my silk bonnet. Now that my hair is shorter than it was before a few months ago, the pineapple doesn't make sense because it just flattens out the back. So the best thing that I can do is like gather up my hair at the top and put a bonnet and then let the hair just drop naturally. And in the morning, I just have to shake it off. But anywho, back to K18. I like what I'm seeing. I don't have any of those long pieces that I would usually like have. My hair does feel stronger. The elasticity of the hair, I'll put the word here, I'm not too good at pronouncing it, feels very good. Like my hair feels strong and it doesn't feel like when I pull on it, it doesn't feel like it's going to snap. But yes, I'm excited to try it. There's like this weird like waxy feeling on top of my hair, but it could be the curling mousse, so I can't attribute that to the K18. But yes, I like it. You know, I still have like these weird like pieces up here that are just like doing whatever it is that they want to do. Okay, I just want to show you an example. You see these hairs here? How like they perfectly coil onto themselves. Look, see this coil? And then you go up here and it's just like a wave, a wave, a wave. So that's what I mean when I say that I have some type of damage, because it's just like, why isn't my hair coiling the way that the bottom does? Like, what did I do to manipulate it? Like, what mechanical or chemical damage did I do to my hair? But yes, y'all, I'm going to be back on the 2nd and 4th wash. I will do weekly updates on my Instagram. And yeah, it's looking very hopeful. I like it. I like I said, how my hair feels. But yes, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Y'all be blessed. Bye.